Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of industrial cleaning with the WypAll Power Clean X80 heavy-duty cloths. These extended-use cloths come in a convenient jumbo roll with 475 sheets, designed to tackle the toughest cleaning tasks. Each cloth measures 11.1 by 16.8 inches, making them perfect for absorbing more water and oil than traditional textile shop rags. Thanks to the proprietary HydroKnit technology, these cloths are fast-absorbing and wick away moisture efficiently. They're not just durable but also resistant to harsh cleaning agents, ensuring superior performance when dealing with oil, dirt, grime, and solvents. The brag box packaging offers easy, one-at-a-time dispensing, making these disposable cloths a practical choice for any industrial setting. Whether you're in a workshop or a garage, the WypAll Power Clean X80 heavy-duty cloths are your go-to solution for a cleaner, more efficient work environment. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.